So this is the zip file. You can open it and you can install the Python file if it's not installed and set it as some variable. And this README file has all the instructions of how to install. So once the Python is installed, we can create a virtual environment using this command. So just go to the path, open cmd, and enter the command. And wait for it to generate the PNB, and then next we have to activate it with this command. And then we can install the required libraries using this command. So we'll wait for it to be installed. Okay, so now that this is installed, we'll move on with the next step, which is to check if everything is installed properly. We'll run this command, see if it shows up anything. So yeah, it displays the help menu. So I think everything is installed properly. So we can close this and we can start the application by running the launcher.exe file. We'll wait for it to open. So yeah, this is our launcher. You can see there is a panel for toggling the simulation value and also for toggling the training parameters on this side. So let's start with testing out our simulation. You can adjust the values here. Let's keep bus count as 20. You can select the car model from here. Let's keep F1. Let's give this config a name. F1 3. Let's test the simulation. So this will open a simulator. And so this is our simulator. It will load the F1 model, the voxelized model, and it will start the airflow. You can check it out from multiple angles. You can also see the collision heat map that is generated. So let's carry out some more training. Let's wait for it to complete and we can recall the metrics here. So once the simulation is done, we can take a screenshot of the heat map. We can also export metrics. And yeah, we can close this. Now if we go to the folder, original sim output, we can check our output here. This is a screenshot that we just took. And this is a simulation output with the base metrics here. And close this, we can come back to our launcher and we can start the training now. So these are all the parameters that we can adjust. If we make any changes, we can go back to reset. And let's give it some name. F1 train test. So let's start training. It says the name needs to be unique. Let's change the name. Test train. Okay, let's try it out with this train. Start training. The command prompt will open, which in turn will open the simulator. And here the training will start automatically. Wait for it to start. So yeah, the training has started. You can see the timer here, the episode count, and the live reward. You can switch back to command prompt to see the trainings here. So in here, you can toggle on and off the heat map, and the colors you see are the individual voxels that have been modified. And the steps count will show up in the command prompt with time for each step and also the reward for that particular step. So this training will take some time, so you can come here and you can click on quit, and this will stop the training midway. Let's wait for it to save the model. Once that is done, we can close the command prompt and come back to the launcher. Now to check the result of what we just trained, we can open the check result, select our training here, which was test train. Select. It will open the train model. So if it's the train model that was generated, we can start the simulation to record the metrics on this model. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, so the simulation is complete and this is the metric output that we are getting for this training. So we can take the screenshot of the heat map and we can export the results into a proper output. Let's close this. We can go into a folder, results section, test train, and this is how our output is saved. This is a heat map that we just generated. We have the CSV file for the metrics for each episode. And if we go back, we can also see the result page here with the heat map comparison before and after, the metrics here, and all the different settings that we kept here with the config name as well. So yeah, that's it. That's the application. Thank you very much.